AKT48. And I'm not a martial artist, but I'm a student exploring martial arts, like chapters in a book that's teaching me more than just a movement. Right now, I'm learning about balance, not just that kind that keeps you on your feet, but that kind that keeps your mind steady under your pressure. In another module, we focus on control, not just controlling punches, but emotions, reactions, and how we respond when things don't go our way. Each module is like a puzzle pieces. One teaches discipline, another teaches respect, another show how to breathe when everything feels overwhelming. I'm not learning martial arts to become a fighter. I'm learning it to become a better version of myself, focused, patient, and strong in a quiet way. I may not know about every stance or kata, but every modules bring a lesson I can use in school, in relationship, and in how I face challenges. To me, martial art isn't a destination. It's a toolkit I'm building piece by piece. So that's me, a student of many things, including martial arts, not all at once, but one powerful lesson to me.
A little different than all the rest. A quite old-fashioned, wear a hat, sometimes play chess.